So is this where you're hiding away?
Oh, I love it. Another swing.
Ah, on a swing again.
Oh,
Okay.
if I find a swing, I'm happy.
Happy chappy.
Welcome to Jaunti Van Life, travelling through South Africa. Full-time van lifers, Cindy and Graham. Living the youth of our old age, enjoying every moment.
Some of us have got to climb up there.
So we're going over the Port Alfred Bridge, over the Lourie River. This is the one that I've always remembered, over the Lourie River. It's beautiful. Oh, look at it. Oh wow, and there's the river. The marina. So we stayed at a campsite. I'll put the name down. They are permanent people and one-nighters, two-nighters, month. In Port Alfred. We're just staying for one night because we're on our way to East London. So they're putting up these glamping tents, a whole lot of them, and they've got a little pond down the bottom.
So is this where you're hiding away?
Oh, I love it. Another swing.
Ah, on a swing again. Okay.
If I find a swing, I'm happy.
Happy chappy. Happy chappy.
And you know that this place is known for its birds.
Yeah, it's known for its
There's a whole
birds.
lot of species here.
You can see all the different species.
I'm one of them.
Who is?
I'm one of the species.
Ah, pretty one. There's some weavers over here I'm trying to catch. No, he just flew away.
Yeah, we have coral trees all over this caravan park. It's too beautiful.
Happy, happy, happy.
The most peaceful surroundings, just sitting by the little lake. We spotted two Knysna Louries with their red wings underneath. Oh, they are too beautiful. I hope Graham caught them. So now, I don't know if we caught the Lourie. We've just got our cell phones. There, we haven't upgraded anything. We just still shoot on our cell phones. One of my goals was to see a Lourie upright close, and this happened today. can see why there's tons of bird life. All the trees and the bush around here is beautiful. Coastal bush. I mean, it's just 2-minute little walk from the caravans. Divine, absolutely divine. One now. We've got 2 brand new ones on the front. Graham has to do some work now on the side of the highway. Yeah, but at least I said to Graham we weren't going down a steep hill because there's lots of like mountain passes here. On a flat piece we were going slower, so I'm very grateful.
This is Gonubie. Oh, it's Cindy. Hello, Cindy.
Hello.
What's going on here? What's happening?
Well, we're sitting in Gonubie,
Yeah?
so we're here for a month now.
Okay.
And then we're on to other places. But yeah, 1 month in this whole area is London.
Oh, alright. Are you happy here?
Yeah, this is Gonubie.
Okay, that's Gonubie.
There's a walkway. Oh, down there, they've got little lagoon.
Yeah.
We're not going to do it.
Alright. And then down there is another little beach over there. Is that the
Yeah,
beach?
there's 2 beaches. Not a beach at all rocks, but there's a beach further down by the lagoon.
Okay. Alright. Okay, I think that's good enough.
Yeah. Graham, come, pick me up please. I need to be picked up, Graham. Graham, where are you looking? We're looking for a stand.
Yeah, I'm looking for a stand, but I feel like a butler again.
Okay, thanks. Go on. I'm climbing in.
Okay.
Okay, and then we're going to go up the road.
Here we go.
Here we go. Nice, eh? And look how pretty it is here. See my butler now.
That's me, the butler. So this is how we go around at this caravan park to look for a stand. We can drive around in a butler van.
Yeah.
A little off-road.
So we had terrible winds the one night, and one of the nests fell down, and I picked it up and it had a little baby in it, just alive. So I slung it up low down, and the father was trying to pull it down, and eventually left it. And the mother came back and she's been feeding it. I've been so happy.
Okay, so they both did what now?
How low the nest is. Here it is, where the white writing is. I lie on my hammock and I look up at the sun and I can see the birds right above me. It's so gorgeous. So this is our view now from JAUNTI at the latest place. Looks a bit like the Garden of Eden. And this beautiful flower. So this is the cool place we're in. It's a little nookie. Yeah. There's people down there. It's, I don't know, 200 and something stand. So here we are, we're going to start in the stores close by in a little tiny shopping centre. We needed gas as we were running out and we need to cook at night. So we're just taking a little ride out. It's so lovely in this area, we're actually enjoying it. Eggs on our car door. JAUNTI VanLife. Hi everybody!
Hello.
Hope you're all well.
You're fine.
Yeah. Just going to chat a bit about our journey so far.
Yeah.
The journey of this old age.
Youth of our old age.
Yes. Actually we're not old. I'd say we're still young.
That's why we're in the youth of the old age. Old age is old. Over 46, but we are old. But not that old. We're in the youth of our old age.
Yeah. We go on little walks. As you know, we went on a beautiful walk down here through the forest and down to the river.
Lovely.
It's a beautiful caravan park. We're here for another 2.5 weeks and then we're on our way
Can't
again.
complain.
But our journey, Graham, what have you found the highlights of your journey?
The highlights that I find is that we're able to get around and visit places and camp out. It's very nice. Okay, we're not doing wild style camping. We camp in caravan park, which is better considering the place. Otherwise I would, we don't even stop at garages where I would as well.
No.
Simply won't go. But anyway, we're enjoying it and the scenery and everything is mind-blowing. We're having fun.
The air is beautiful for us. The sea air, okay, we at the sea now. Before we were inland, but it's been awesome. I tell you now, it's been the best decision of our lives. But again, it took a while to get here. We had to get to that place to be able to do this.
And the major fact at the moment, we are about 100 meters from the beach. Right behind you, I'm not going to say now, right behind us over there, we're facing the beach. And there's a lot of trees and everything, so you can see the sea between all the trees. Yes, so that's where we are. And it is awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So we just want to encourage people to dream.
Yes, and we've got a lot of birds around here now. I'm into the birds.
Okay.
Anyway, so yeah, look, we're at the end of the video. That say cheers. So it's from Cindy and Grant. Enjoy and
God bless.
yes, God bless.
Bye-bye.
And subscribe and like and share.
Bye.
See you on the flip side. Bye.